there, do you know when you should be using the word affect and effect? Well, these two words often confuses us. And literally they sound so similar, they have almost the same meaning. They do have a different spelling and they are different parts of speech. And you must know that these belong to that tricky family of words known as homophones. So in today's video, we're going to look at the uses of effect and affect. Because when it comes to writing the right word, these rules are going to help you to bear the struggle. Effect is a noun and affect is a verb. In order to understand when to choose affect or effect, let's take a look at each of their meanings. Firstly, we will look at affect. Affect is a verb which means to change something, or we can say an impact on something or to influence something. Then effect is a noun which means result. It points toward an event or a thing. It's often used when an end result is being discussed. So we can say affect is a synonym of influence or change, and effect is a synonym of result or consequence. Let's look at one example. Her mom told her to stop watching horror movies. She said it can affect her. The second sentence, the horror movie had a bad effect on Lisa. So in the first sentence, her mom warned her because she might be influenced. And in the second sentence, the horror movie created a bad consequence for Lisa. There is an easy way to remember when to use affect and effect, such as A in affect is for action and E in effect is for end result. Now there are some exceptions. That is, affect can be used as a noun and effect can be used as a verb. Well, the cases are incredibly rare, but if we see effect as a verb, it means to produce or achieve something. For example, the new employees are bound to effect positive changes in the office. The rain will effect a great harvest. And the uses of affect as a noun is incredibly rare. When referring to a display of emotion, we use affect as a noun. Let's recap exactly how and when to use which word. We use affect as the verb in a sentence when we are talking about producing a change or just influencing something. For example, watching a movie can affect someone's mood. And we can look at some synonyms of affect such as change, influence, modify, impact. Well, impact, we have to use the verb version of impact for the synonym of affect. Another one could be like improve. Effect is a noun and it's the outcome of an event or situation. We can also say it's the result. Well, it can be either big or small, but the fact that something changed is what makes the noun form of effect so important. For example, you can feel the effects of a rain or an earthquake, and the weather can have a positive effect on your mood. And we better know some synonyms of effect too. For example, result, consequence, outcome, aftermath, and of course the noun version of impact. Well, we can have impacts of climate change. That means there are effects of climate change. So let's look at two sentences. Can you say which sentence is correct? The speech she gave affected me. The speech she gave affected me. Well, if you say the speech she gave affected me, then you are correct, because when something influences you, it affects you. And the speech the girl gave influenced you. The next one is the teachers wanted to effect change on campus. The teachers wanted to affect change on campus. So now if you're saying that effect is correct, then you're wrong, because to effect change is a fixed phrase that uses effect as a verb. You know, it's exceptional case. So that was all for today. If you like this video, please drop a like and also put a comment in the comment section below so that I can understand if you like this. And please check out the other videos of this channel. There are more vocabulary lessons, and also there are some other grammar lessons that you may find helpful. And of course, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can get a notification when I am posting another brand new video. Till then, stay safe, take care, goodbye.